Just about every AP tool says they integrate with QuickBooks. But integration isn't just one thing, it's a spectrum. Some tools only push the invoice total, some sync one direction, some run everything through middleware sitting between your AP tool and QuickBooks. Today, I'll show you what a deep two-way QuickBooks integration actually looks like, line by line, bi-directional, in real time. I'm Ted McRae with MakersHub. If your month end is full of recoding bills and cleaning up whatever garbage your AP tool pushes into QuickBooks, this one's for you. Let's start on the integrations page. These are the systems that MakersHub connects to natively. Today we'll use QuickBooks Online, and connecting basically takes one click. Once it's connected, I sync my data, and the best part is you see every single thing that comes across. Your customers, suppliers, items, chart of account codes. I can even enable custom fields. And for anyone using Intuit Enterprise Suite, your dimensions come right over as well. Everything I need to code a bill is already here. Now let's open a bill. Because the sync is two-way, when a bill comes in from a vendor that MakersHub doesn't recognize, but QuickBooks does, it flags it instead of creating a duplicate. Here, it found a strong match, so I'll just match them up. One click, no mess. We even sync open purchase orders. This vendor's open PO from QuickBooks, they show up right here. And I match them straight to the invoice, line by line. MakersHub pulls every data point off of the bill to, the ship to, the terms, even net term discounts. And here's where coding gets powerful. Every customer and project from QuickBooks is right here. And the system suggests the most logical one based on the PO number. I select it, fill it down, fix any exceptions. Same with class codes, straight from QuickBooks. For the account codes, we can enter them manually, but I'll let WiseVision handle it for me. I'll just tell it to look at each line item description and code the account from my QuickBooks chart of account codes. Hit enter, and it fills every account code based on what's actually on the bill. I can even set it up as a rule, so it does this every time automatically. Once I approve, it flows into accounts payable. So let's open it in QuickBooks. Every single thing came through. The category details, the line amounts, the class, the account code, the customer project, even item categories and inventory details land exactly where they're supposed to. Nothing needs to be rekeyed. MakersHub even attaches a permanent link to the original bill. Right-click, go to, and there's the source invoice. It stays live, even if you stop using MakersHub. And this is what true way sync really means. Mark a bill as paid in QuickBooks, it's marked as paid in MakersHub. Pay it in MakersHub, the payment posts back to QuickBooks and to the bill. It goes right down to the details. Change a phone number or an address in either system, and it updates in the other automatically. That's a true bi-directional integration. Every field, every bill, both directions in real time. So the next time a vendor says they integrate with QuickBooks, ask them, does it sync every line both ways like this? I'm Ted with MakersHub. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week.